Hey guys, it's Joellen and Brian again. So a lot of people ask us, what is the workstation? You hear us keep talking about it. If you haven't seen us at the trade shows, it is truly the best premium product we have. Why don't you kind of give them a little bit of why it's so great, why not only the stores are going to want it, but why their customers are going to want our workstations?
Very easy, very easy. Our products sell themselves, but here's the reason why. Back, hand, shoulders, and neck. When anybody does any type of project, whether you're a quilter, whether you're a sewer, whether you're a paper piece or scrapbooker, it doesn't matter whether you're doing glass work or stuff like that, stained glass. It doesn't matter. This is a workstation. We don't call it a Martelli quilting table, do
Nope.
we?
Nope.
No. So what we do is we cater to the ergonomics, okay, of pretty much everything. That's where your back, hand, shoulders, and we'll show you how they correct each and every one of those four major parts, okay? But here's the greatest thing it does. Whether you're tall, whether you're shorter, it doesn't matter whether you have back problems, neck problems. So with a touch of a button, it's all remote. There's no hydraulics on this at all. So it's a plug and play. There's no maintenance on this table. It's made out of HDPE. Do you know what that is? High density polyethylene. It will last you forever, but it goes up and down with a touch of a button. Okay, there's no manual anything about that. Okay, so it'll go up, it'll go down, so it'll fit Joe Allen.
Shorties like me.
But it'll also come up for me for when I went. We're tired of having to lean on and hold on for dear life. This workstation will do that. What it'll also do is tilt to you. And the benefit of the tilt is one thing. It's like an artist and an architect. Why would they do that? Right? An artist and architect, they're going to draw straight lines. But when we tilt, when it's tilting like this, see how her hand's getting closer and closer? She's not moving and her back is straight. When you're doing that, artists and architects, think about that. They're drawing straight lines. When you're cutting, what are you cutting? Straight lines. The dynamic is absolutely the same. It creates an ergonomic advantage for anything that you're cutting out or doing at all. And that's why you want that for your back and your neck and your shoulders and your hands. So whether you're sewing, ironing, cutting, it doesn't matter. The workstation will provide it, okay? So that's why you should have it and everybody should. And it's a very easy sell. I bought one, I don't know, it's going on 7 years now, and it's the best thing. I'll tell you one thing. Now, this may be funny, but it is the best Christmas gift wrapping table you'll ever have.
Absolutely. I
But
guess
other
that's
than
a
that,
buffet table too.
that's right. Whatever you want to do, but this is the primary use for it. The primary use is for whatever you want to do.
And whether
that's
you
what we
want to sit or stand. That's
Absolutely.
there are times I have sciatic nerve problems.
Take a load
I
off.
have to sit.
The beauty about it is if you want to sit or stand, you have the option. It's a very little word. It's called options, right? But it's huge in this industry because there is no other workstation out there, period, bar none, that will work around the person instead of the person working around the workstation.
It becomes your main piece of furniture in your room,
Absolutely.
in your sewing room, because you literally do everything on it. A lot of times people end up eliminating other stuff or repurposing it and making this their centerpiece.
This isn't a one thing
No.
table, workstation, right? This is an all-purpose table. So we can do multitude of things with it, whether it's just recreational or whether it's getting down and dirty doing some quilting, okay, and cutting and all that stuff that you want to do. Another key feature, what no other table does, this is flush, okay? Okay, this is a mat that is recessed into this table with the #1 mat on the market bar, period. And it's perfectly fit for it, two-sided. You can't get a better workstation at all. There's no other product on the market, and there shouldn't be because we got it.
You know what I like too, actually, is that I've had several people that are in wheelchairs.
Yes.
And so it lowers low enough
And
that
they're
if you are
having
in a
to
wheelchair,
deal with what's out on the market, or they have to chop legs down,
That's
or they
right.
have to put it on risers. But still, it's stationary. This will never be stationary for you because everybody is a different person, right?
That's right.
So
it's you. It's what you want.
It's what you want. This is the best system you'll ever have in your shop, your store, or your home, period.
We look forward to seeing you guys, and we look forward to having your new workstation in your house.
Absolutely. Take care.
Bye-bye.